Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. As you probably noticed until now, the setup I'm using is this very simple setup. But the problem is when I open the laptop, so how I use this external display is that I need to bend my screen from laptop all the way down to be able to use the keyboard. So until now I got this Bluetooth mouse from UHURU, but now I wanted to try how it will look like this setup with the Bluetooth keyboard as well. So what I will do, I will just put the laptop here and Bluetooth keyboard I will try to fit in this small area here. So let's see, will this small keyboard that I ordered also from UHURU work for this idea that I have. So let's unbox it and see how it will look like. So inside the box you will find the Bluetooth adapter, USB cable, as well as the keyboard. So the size of the keyboard is pretty small, as you can see. It doesn't have the numeric keyboard, and let's see now how it will fit my setup. As you can see, the keyboard is a perfect fit here. So the only thing what I need to do is to plug in this adapter here into USB of the laptop. Turn on the keyboard here. So now I don't need to put my display all the way below to the extension display. I just need to turn the laptop on like this here. And then when the external display is activated, I can put the laptop down and use this Bluetooth keyboard. So let's see how that will work now. Now, as you notice, when I was logging in, this control button does not work, but luckily we have two and this control works. So let's check the other buttons, do they work? Let's try print screen. So obviously all other buttons are working except this control button, which is pity, but luckily we have these two. Another drawback for some will be that it doesn't have the numeric keyboard. However, for me this is advantage. But if you do like the numeric keyboard to see it here, you can order the another keyboards that they have in their store, so you can check the link below. However, this control button was a surprise to me because it is brand new keyboard, so I don't know why it doesn't work. Luckily we have one more, so we can type, we can still use it without any problem. And you have a lot of useful shortcuts above. So for example, if you want to shut down the sound, you can do it with one click. You have the function here and F6, and also a lot of other to reduce the sound, to improve the sound, to play, to turn off even the laptop. So a lot of useful shortcuts you have on this small keyboard. Now what I like about this keyboard is that it is very small, so it is very practical. You can put it basically in any space that you have. Another benefit is that it comes with built-in battery, which is very slim. It is put here, so you will not even notice it. Because of this perfect design, as you can see, they put the battery here in this area, and it is enough to tilt the keyboard a bit towards the usage, and that's enough for the perfect usage, and the built-in battery here, which recharges on this USB port here. A full recharge of the keyboard takes around half hour, and after several days of usage I still didn't need to recharge it again. The best thing about both keyboard and the mouse is that you don't need to turn them off. After you turn off the laptop, they will turn off automatically to save the power. Then, once you turn on the laptop, you can start using them instantly because they will also turn on automatically. For the end, I would definitely recommend this company UHURU, so make sure to check their websites. They have some awesome mouses, microphones, as well as the keyboards. So check their website, and thank you very much for watching. Assalamu alaikum. May peace be upon you.